Hello, kids. Is it true that you like bananas? I know everybody likes bananas, but have you ever thought about where they come from, eh? Today, we're going to see the place where the bananas grow. Come with me.
Come with me.
What? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
I am very well, and you?
I am very well, and you?
Pleased to meet you. I'm Mr. Snail. May I ask who you are?
Pleased to meet you. I'm Mr. Snail. May I ask who you are?
No, I am Mr. Snail.
No, I am Mr. Snail.
Now I get it. You're a parrot.
You're a parrot.
Dear viewers, this special bird who repeats everything it hears is called a parrot. It is a very interesting bird. Hey, parrot, would you like to talk to me?
Hey, parrot, would you like to talk to me?
Well, it seems to be impossible. We'll continue on our way to the bananas. Yes. So, see you, parrot. It was very nice meeting you.
Hey, wait! Where are you going?
Pardon? Oh! Me?
Wait a minute, I'll be right down. Talk. What did you want to ask?
Well, I wanted to know, how do you do it? How do you imitate sound so well?
It's just that I'm a very clever creature. Probably the cleverest creature in the wild.
And not at all a show-off. And tell me, why do you parrots have such very colourful feathers?
That's so the other parrots can see me from afar. Here, can you see? Can you see me?
Yes, very well. Parrot? Parrot? Parrot! That's it. Can't see him anymore. Let's look for bananas. Ooh. Ooh.
May I offer you one?
How lovely! Where did you find it?
Oh, it's through here, on the trees above.
Oh! Wonderful! I was just telling the kids about bananas.
Bananas? Who cares about them? Maybe you should tell them about parrots. You know, I am a special bird who can imitate voices. Yes, I am very good at it.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well then, dear viewers, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Well then, dear viewers, that's all for today. See you next time. Wah!